Let me show you how to make a sandwich using a sandwich maker. First, I'm going to use a few pieces of bread. Also, I have put on tiny bit of butter on one side, so again you only need tiny bit. Then also I'm going to use a bit of sausage, a bit of cheese, and either ketchup or also like a tomato sauce as well will work absolutely great. First, let's take the bread and slap on with the butter side down. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of ketchup. Try to even it out a bit, maybe. Next, let's put on some sausage. Let's add some cheese. And let's cover it with the other piece of bread, so with the butter side up. Okay, and next let's close everything. So you see, there's actually quite a lot. So you see, I'm smashing it down a bit and also catching it. So if you have like this a bit like out, that's completely okay. And turn it on. It will take maybe like 4 minutes to be done. And this machine maybe only takes half a minute to heat up and start cooking. And it only took 3 minutes to be done. So I even overcooked slightly a bit. So again, pay attention to the timing. And as you see inside, we have very nicely cooked sausage with also very nicely melted cheese. Like